The research on distracted driving might scare you. For instance, drivers who use handheld devices are 4 times more likely to be in a crash, causing injury. KTV's Forrest Saunders headed to a free distracted driving class today to find out how you can avoid becoming another statistic.
You've seen the PSAs of teens picking up their phones, then smashing their cars. It's supposed to scare you into paying attention on the road. But is it working? Folks like Ryan McGuire see distracted drivers all the time.
You know, texting and, Facebooking, going down the road, stuff like that.
McGuire was part of a room full of people who used Monday afternoon to take a free course on the subject. It's put on by Siouxland Safety Services in Sioux City, where officials say something needs to be done.
50 years ago, we didn't have near the amount of distractions that we do now. Cars are coming built in with computer screens, touch screens. We got GPSs, smartphones. We have a lot of distractions.
Iacino's worries are backed up by USDOT stats online. They say in 2010, more than 3,000 people were killed in distracted driving crashes. Plus, they estimate you're 23 times more likely to be in a crash if you're texting. So, how can you stay safe? Iacino has been telling his class it's easy. Just be prepared before you drive.
Setting your AC or your heater, getting your tunes loaded before you go, putting the GPS, addresses in before you go, not while you're driving. Get it all set up before you start moving.
And your phones?
Just turning the cell phone off while you drive. It's too tempting.
In Sioux City, Forrest Saunders, KTIV News 4.